Snow. Snow in Southern California is an event for us. It completely changes the pace of how we wheel in the mountains. The environments it creates produces a different kind of challenge with its own kind of hazards. This is the Project Nomad. Our day started like most wheeling days. Just wanting to be out with friends and explore. But without a real schedule, we took our time getting up the mountain, not really expecting anything but good views and a story to tell. So we checked out the sites and offshoots in the area, as well as meet new friends, and still with no real rush, it was a relaxing time to be out. Until we heard what happened up ahead.
We got word that someone on the trail has gotten stuck in the snow and is off the edge, or slightly off the edge, or coming off the edge, whatever it is. And I guess we're the first group with winches to actually start making our way through here. So we're gonna see if we can give some help or get turned around like everyone else.
And just like that, we flipped the switch and rushed to help. We barreled up that mountain, not really knowing what to expect when we finally got up there.
What can we do?
We kept going and going, till we finally encountered a couple walking down the trail.
How far up?
You're gonna stuck. You got room in your car, Rob?
No, I don't.
You got room in your car? I have one seat. Now, I hate for them to walk back up.
I know. Hold up. Let me see if I can empty out my area. I'll only be able to get one seat as well.
Get one seat as well. Now, Mars, the guy, there's a Nissan in front of us that's slipping.
You're lucky Land Cruisers were around. Beautiful view, but we're currently dealing with people who are currently stuck. But we did find
I'm gonna try to get the high side.
But we did find the people who got stuck up there originally. We got the couple inside one of our rigs, so we're gonna take them back up and see what we can do for them.
But with the snow melting and freezing, getting traction here was an issue for any rig. The Nissan in front of us was experiencing that exact issue. He was spinning tires and blocking our path. But Bayou bypassed him by finding traction on the right side. I tried to follow suit.
Hold that off.
Give me a sec.
I couldn't follow the exact same line. I couldn't find the traction that Bayou did. So I had to get out and help this Nissan to clear the path in front of us and get him turned around as well. It did take us a few tries to finally get him out of the way, but not being aired down for traction was the biggest pain for the driver. But once we were clear, we continued up to the actual stuck rig.
We found the Tacoma that's stuck up here, and it is in a situation. Yep. So what was your thought process here?
To actually get through it?
Yeah.
I was actually gonna try to go more higher up, but every time I try to pin the truck up higher.
Also the other question, do you have a strap? It's like a recovery strap. This is not how you expected your day to go.
Oh hell no. Oh hell no. I was actually pretty upset.
Are you scared? Because you're not getting AAA up here.
Well, I know that. That's why I was calling my uncle, but...
All right, can you get in and put it on reverse, slow?
Okay.
When we start doing it, slow reverse.
Okay.
Jeff, are you clear from the triangle of death? Also, where'd you guys mount it to?
Slider on the front. I don't want to put it down anymore. You're too rough or what?
What? Of the triangle of death? Or is it just sliding backwards?
Oh, we're gonna keep going up. Once we get them out, we're gonna keep going up.
When you start, lower down your window. Put it in reverse.
Alright, I'm ready.
All right, pull him.
Reverse. You reversing?
Reverse slowly.
Stop, stop.
We're good.
Hey, is this handbrake on? Is your handbrake on?
Is your handbrake on? No?
It is now.
Handbrake on. Handbrake's now on.
Off.
Handbrake off.
Alright, I'm gonna let go of the winch. Once it comes down, reverse a little bit.
He's gonna let go of the winch. You're gonna slowly back up.
Let me know when.
You can go. Bye, you clear?
Go.
Go slowly.
No. Okay, go slow. Go slow. Alright. Go back more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, turn left, driver.
Turn driver.
Driver and go forward. Slow. A little bit more. Okay, turn passenger and reverse. Alright, you're clear.
Feel better?
A lot better.
You feel better?
Oh hell no.
You want to keep going?
Hell no. We don't have a choice though, huh?
No, we can back up. It's just
I'm going forward.
we're going forward. If you want to come now, it's your option.
Thank you so much, man. I highly appreciate all of you guys.
Maybe we were just like, we saw another group of Toyotas just come down. We're just like, why didn't you help him? You got winches.
I didn't see anybody come up. The only one was that older couple that came up. That was it. So
They might have just saw you and thought, eh.
fuck that.
Better than that. That's what they say. You're not sitting there trying to lock it.
What, the actual traditional D-rings?
Yeah.
Yeah, these things are better.
Okay, I'll have to. Now I know I have to invest a lot more money into it.
D-rings are good for mounting. These things are actually good for attaching.
Okay.
That's what it's generally about.
I know the camera never captures it, but he was truly just stuck on just a bunch of ice underneath him. He actually did need to get winched out of there, unless he wanted to actually fall further.
We got him winched out. All we did was just hook up to his sliders and pull him to the left and pull him away from the bank. Simple, easy pull. And now we're just continuing up the rest of the mountain and see how it goes. Overall though, if I was to get stuck up here, I mean, it's a pretty view.
And this is the reason I go out. I want to see these kinds of views. I want to go hang out with my good friends and occasionally put some good into the world.
So it started hailing on us and we're getting flushed out because of it. You can see it. And it's already getting dark, so we're trying to get out of here now.
Looking back at it now, it might have been a bad call, but we decided to push it and head up the rest of the trail. It was less than 2 miles away, and the highway was right there for us to air up on. So, what could go wrong? The weather had truly rolled in on us by this point, and visibility was starting to become an issue.
Oh, I don't like cliffs.
But we still pressed on till...
Hey, the track stop right here. I don't remember what's around the corner, but it does get easier. After this corner, it goes down.
Yeah, I'm seeing like after this corner there's one more bend and then it's heading somewhat down.
I'll go up a little bit, see if I can go past the snow.
Alright, if you don't, we yank you back and we turn around.
Alright.
And with that, all forward progress stopped. And what started was a nearly half mile of backing up and low visibility. And without rear-facing lights, we resorted to being torchbearers for each other till we could finally turn around and face the right direction.
I try to turn around where there's tire direction.
I think I found it.
But it's also not a true snow day until you get it stuck at least once.
I'm suited up.
Let me know when you're ready.
Go for it.
Alright, fine.
I'm good now.
Once facing the right direction though, going over your own tracks, it was an easy breeze to get back down.
Right?
That is, till you lose traction and you're facing the side of a cliff.
Driver. Good.
Nothing like a small heart attack to call it a day.
We finally actually made it down. God, that took so long. We're just gonna air up, but if you enjoy this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, tread lightly.